Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool device right here, and basically what this is a case for iPhone 13 Pro, and they also have this available for like iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and they also have this available in previous versions as well, such as iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12, and the list goes on. But they actually have this available for many different type of iPhones and also Samsung devices as well. And they call this the MoonClimber series. So let me actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so you guys first take it out. This is what it looks like right here. Let's take it out from the actual wrapper right here first. Alright. So you see that when we actually take it out, so it definitely has like an all clear design case right here, and it comes with a little kickstand option right here. So this one right here is basically called the MoonClimber series, but they also have another one that's very similar to this one right here, but that one is called the Mars Climber, and that one has more of a darker design, whereas this one is more clear design. So this is what it looks like on this side. If you flip it to the other side, this is what the inside looks like right here. Let me actually put my phone on to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So you basically want to just clip it in right here really easily, and once you guys have it on, this is what it looks like right here. So the case actually fits the phone perfectly right here, as you can see. It actually looks very nice with the blue phone that I have right here. If you guys want to use the kickstand option right here, you just want to pull it out like that, and you basically just go like that and watch stuff. Or if you guys want to turn this way, you can go like that as well. Or if you guys want to go this way, you can definitely have the option available as well. So there's a total of 3 different ways of how you guys actually use the kickstand option on here. But we guys look at the side right here. This is what it looks like right here on the side. So they do have all the buttons right here that you can use, and it's very sensitive as well. If you turn it to the other side, they do have the button here as well. And we guys look at the very bottom right here. They do have the opening right here for the speakers, and they do have the slot for you guys to plug in the cable to charge it up. And if you guys look really carefully in the corner right here, they do have the reinforcement right here to make the product drop resistant or shock proof as well. And definitely having that kickstand option right here is actually really convenient. So that way if you guys want to watch a movie or if you guys want to do work, if you guys just want to stand up your phone on a table or something while you guys are doing something else at the same time, maybe like eating dinner or eating lunch or whatever, you can definitely use that on here. And it mentions throughout the case on the side right here, they do have an upgraded airbag for the extra protection on here if you guys accidentally drop it by accident. And if you guys look really carefully in the lens part right here, and also in the front part right here, it's raised just a little bit to give you guys that extra protection layer, so that way you guys don't have to worry about cracking your screen or your lens or anything. And when you guys feel the side right here, it definitely gives you guys a very good grip. So when you guys are carrying your phone or just holding your phone, you don't have to worry about slipping off your hand. And also when you guys look at the side of the case right here, it's actually pretty slim. It's not like bulky or anything, which is pretty nice. Only thing that really stands out is the kickstand option right here. And also for the back part right here, it's also anti-scratch as well, so you don't have to worry about scratching your product or leaving any marks on here. And last but not least, for this case right here, you could definitely do wireless charging on here as well. Let me actually do a quick test to show you guys when it actually works. Alright, so I do have my wireless charger right here. Let's test it out. Alright, so you can see it definitely does work if you guys want to actually use wireless charging on here. You probably have to adjust a little bit to make sure it fits like the angle when you guys actually use it, since it does have the little kickstand option in the back. But you definitely see that actually does work if you guys want to do wireless charging on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it actually work or not. So for this case in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want more need one of these. Especially if you guys are planning to get like the brand new iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro or even the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And if you guys are trying to look for a case that has everything that's on here, such as the kickstand option, the anti-scratch. Basically, if you guys want everything that's included in this part right here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.